Hello and welcome to Microsoft Computer Applications series. Today we're going to go over Microsoft Access 1B simulation training. Before we do, please smash that like button and leave us a comment. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you're unable to smash the like button or leave a comment or unable to subscribe, means you have not created a YouTube account. So take less than a minute to set you up a free YouTube account so that you can participate and communicate with other YouTubers and make it easier for you to find your favorite YouTube and to find other information in YouTube. Alright, so I said this lesson is going to be about Microsoft Access 1B simulation as we start our setup here. Make sure we got site so you can see it. Alright, so here we go. The first task, using a template to create a database. This is a template that is included with the Access program. It is designed for event management and includes objects that may be used as is or modified to meet the user needs. At the top of the window, click Enable Content. So when you talk about a template, it's pre-created, and basically what it does, instead of you having to create this whole outline from scratch, it's already created. So you can change the wording, different things within it instead of having to build it from scratch. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is hit the Enable Content, and task 1 is complete. Next, for task 2, building a table by entering records in a public or in a multiple item form and a single record form. So first, in the event list multiple items form, in the new record in the title field, type your online reputation. So the title field here. Let's get this right. In the new record, in the title field, type your online reputation. Let's just do this. Your online. Okay, and then press Tab. Then you want to type in the date 3/9/23 space 7P. It'll autofill when you press the Tab key. As it did, it completed the date format by putting the whole year along with 7 p.m. even the seconds. All right. So next we're going to do 3/9/23 and 9P. Hit the Tab button. Same thing, it autofills. And the description is internet safety. And Tab, and then the location is going to be the Northeast Campus. As always, check your spelling, make sure it's correct. Hit the Tab key. Now in the form field, directly above the field name row, click New Event to display the event details single record form. So basically what you're doing, it's going to show you another way to input it. Instead of clicking down here, you can click New Event and you can get the form field and then the title, writing a research paper. You use Tab, or you can use the mouse key to put it into the location. Southwest Campus. Then I'll put a tab down to start time 3/10/23 and 4P. Tab, filled it out just like the other one did, and the end time 3/10/23 6P. Use my Tab key, and now we're going to do the description. I'm going to use the mouse to click into that. Computer skills. In the object window, click close to close the event details single record form. So here's the close. So we're going to go ahead and close that. Alright, so we're on to task 3. which is appending records by importing from an Excel spreadsheet. So on the ribbon, click External Data tab. In the Import and Link group, click the Data Source arrow. So let's go to External Data. The External Data tab is here, sorry. The new Data Source arrow is here. And then from File, we want to click on Excel. And we want to do the Browse, click Browse, double click Excel file, the A01B workshops.xls. So we go Browse. And luckily for us, it's the only one in there. So you can double click or click it and then select Open. And then it wants us to do the append a copy of the records to the table. Nothing else needs to change. Make sure you got this file and that selected. Then you click OK. Next one, you just click Next. Make sure nothing is checked. Click Finish and then Close. All right. Now open the navigation pane. Double click the event list form and then close the navigation pane. So let's open it up by clicking that. And we're looking for event list form. So here's the forms here. So here's event list. Double click that and it's open, and then close the navigation pane right here. In the events list form, to the left of the ID field, click Select All. So remember, this is our Select All. And we're going to do the auto fit ordeal. So any of these to the right, where you get this emblem right here, right? When you get this emblem, you double click with the left mouse button and it'll auto fit it, the whole table for you. All right, and next he wants to save the form. So you just click the disk and that'll complete task 3. On to number 4, which is grouping database objects in the navigation pane. At the top of the navigation pane, click the All Access Object arrow. So here's the All Access Objects, and here's the arrow. Let's click that. And we want to go to find, on this list, under Navigation to Category, click Tables and Related Views. Here's Tables and Related Views right here. Let's click that. And that's it for number 3 or number 4. Number 5 is using the Table tool to create a new table. On the ribbon, click the Create tab. There's your Create tab. And then in the Tables group, click Table. Here's the Tables group. And of course, there's Table. Click that. In the Field Names row, click to Add. Click to Add. And we want to do short text, which is here. And then we're going to change this to campus/location. Then press Enter. Right click the ID field name. And then change this to, click on Rename Field as you were. Rename Field. And let's change this to Room ID. Right. Then press Enter. In Table 1 with the insertion point in the Room ID field, on the Fields tab, in the Formatting group, click Data Type arrow and then click Short Text. Alright, so leave it there. Up here is their data type. Click this arrow, change this to Short Text. Alright, and number 5 is complete. So on to number 6, which is entering records into a new table. So in Table 1, in the Room ID field, type in E01. Alright, once you've done that, in the campus field, you can hit the enter. I'm going to do Northeast Campus. Someone's misspelled over there. Northeast Campus. Let's hit enter. Room H265. Enter. Seats is 150. And press Enter. And that table is auto-filled. To the left of the Room ID field name, click Select All. So here's the Room ID field name. To the left of it, this same one, this square between the rows and the columns is Select All. On the Home tab in the Records group, let's go Home. Here's the Records group. Here's the More. Click More. And then you want to go down to Field Width. Select Field Width. And then here you want to select best fit. You can also type it in, but they didn't give us a number. But if you want to have a precise size, you can type that in. But here we'll use best fit as directed. All right, that's it for number 6. And our 7, our last and final task for this simulation, viewing reports. In the navigation pane, double-click the All Events report to open it in the Objects window. So All Events is right here. Double-click it. On the Home tab in the View Groups, click the View arrow. Here's the Home tab. Here's the View Groups. Here's the View arrow. Click Print Preview. Here's Print Preview. And lo and behold, that's all it is for Microsoft Access 1B. So thanks again for joining. If you have any questions or if you enjoyed that video or found any use of it, please smash that like button, leave us a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. So we'll be back soon when we take on Microsoft Access Chapter 2. All right, thank you for joining again, and have a wonderful day.